Choo Choo TV surprise! Hi! Ta-da! Kids, we have arrived at the carnival. It's time to have fun! Hi, Mr. Harlow! Hey there, little friends! Welcome to the carnival! So, friends, shall we see the stall? We can't wait! Yay! I'm going to enjoy this trip with all my little friends. Now shall we press the magic button? Huh? Now, shall we get ready to open the eggs one by one? Pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me! Yay! I got pig! Now let's open the egg. 1, 2, 3! There's a yellow egg! Yellow! Shall we open the yellow egg? 1, 2, 3! That's an orange egg! Orange! I just can't wait to open it! Open! 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 Surprise! That's a cow! Yay! Pick me! Pick me! Pick me! Thank you! Shall we open it? 1, 2, 3! That's a violet egg! Violet! Can't wait to open the violet egg! Open! 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 Surprise! It's a pig! Yay! Pick me! Pick me! Oh, you picked me up! Thank you! Come on! Let's open this egg! 1, 2, 3! That's a black egg! Black! Oh yeah! Just can't wait to open the egg! 1, 2, 3! That's a white egg! White! Now, don't we want to see what's in it? Shall we? Open! 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 Surprise! It's a hen! Yay! Thank you! Okay, shall we see what's inside this? 1, 2, 3! That's a brown egg! Brown! Let's open the brown egg! That's a blue egg! Blue! Now, what's gonna be inside? Open! 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 Surprise! It's a doggy! Yeah! does the cow live? The cow lives in the shed. What does the cow eat? Cow eats grass and hay. Now let's see what the cow says. The cow says moo moo. What does the cow give us? It gives us milk. Yummy! Where does the pig live? It lives in the sty. What does the pig eat? Pig eats grass and vegetables. Now, who's gonna guess what the pig says? The pig says, oink oink. What does the pig give us? Pig gives us meat. Where does the hen live? You know what? The hen lives in its coop. What does the hen eat? The hen eats worms, grains, and seeds. Now, who's gonna guess what the hen says? Hen says cluck cluck. What does the hen give us? The hen gives us eggs and meat. Where does the doggy live? It lives in the kennel and runs about in the farm. What does the doggy eat? Doggy eats meat, bone, bread. Now shall we see what the doggy says? The doggy says woof woof. What does the doggy do? It takes care of the farm animals and plays with us. Come on, let's visit our friends in the Old MacDonald farm. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-yo-yo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-yo-yo. E-I-O, oink oink, E-I-O, E-I-O, oink oink, E-I-E-I-O-yo-yo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some hens, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-yo-yo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O-yo-yo. Hi kids! Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.